Sunday kind of love, a love to last past Saturday night, and I'd like to know it's more than love at first sight, and I want a Sunday kind of love. Love that's on the square. Can't seem to find somebody, someone to care. And I'm on a lonely road that leads to nowhere. I need a Sunday kind of love.
What's up? Look. Recording. Squad.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is flame, not clout.
Don't get loud, boy.
He like.
Paddock on my wrist, doing front flips, giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in road.
It's cool, man. Got red bottoms on. Life is good. You know what I mean?
$100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Dropped $3 on the ring, called it the truck, little bitch. I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same fence. Granted, she was standing right there while I keep the play on the brick. I made them little niggas go hate while I tell a man in this bitch. I done been down bad in them trenches, had to ride with that stick. Who gave you pills, who gave that dust, Pluto sent you on the dick. Too many convicts, they roll me to play in this shit. Crowd about nonsense, get old, so I'm spreading this bitch. They had the counter like lighting it up, nigga. Anybody can get it. I'm on the PJ lighting it up, backwood full of sticks. I'm tryna throw that Drake on London, and it's extended. They gotta stretch a nigga out, we gon' die for this shit. Yeah, I ride for my niggas, I lie for my bitch. We some poor, high class niggas, made it, we rich. I was at the band, though, got a penthouse for a closet. It's like a shadow, feel on my neck, my bitch. I got things told that talk different languages. Got professors in my blood, Ferguson. Hunt out for the cheap spring on the ring for a bitch. I don't know when I Spain to be in my domain, all of my bitch. Dropped $3 on a ring, cause the control little bitch. I was in the shop, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same thing. That's by the time I call it Sabine. I go tremendo for new fettuccine. All fat, though, clear with the pink. All fat, water with the beach. I'm in the loop with the boo, I'm in the loop with the woo. Who's one to work? I put the back for the nose, I put the book on the shirt. Wrapped out bricks that make go shook. Hurst the post me water bird. Think it's worse than you a maniac, a fucking alien. I be smirking, got that kitty cat, I'm having fun with that. Going Birkin.
never live here, I never been here. Might up and leave here, might call my people. Like peace, I'll see ya. I built a spaceship only for my leisure. I'll come back next year. I'm tired of collectors, fake friends is flexing. Bozos that message under my comments. All of this nonsense, I think I'm a Martian. I'm trying to be honest, phone me home now. In my zone now. Got a space modulator, leave me alone now. All the stars and the planets, and I'm worried about a cop that might shoot down the drop, cause I took off in a lot. High beams. I remember thinking, what good is a telescope if I could never really go? And what if we just marbles in a jar and God is playing jacks? And one day he goes and roll us all out the pack. Picture that, I'm supposed to go farther, go higher, do more than that bullshit that you told me to. I'm supposed to discover life wonders without wondering. All that bullshit that you put me through, I'ma go out of space one time, just one time. I'ma go out of space one time, just one time. Watch me, I'm supposed to go to my job and try to even my odds, then go and sit in my car in all this traffic light. I don't even live all that far. We used to talk about Mars, we barely look look at the stars, what happened to flight cars?
I'ma go out of space one time, just one time. I'ma go out of space one time, just one time.
Young Savage, why you trapping so hard? Why these niggas capping so hard? Why you got a 12-car garage? Why you pulling out these rappers' cards? Cut these niggas pussy and them hard. I turn it fucking soft into some hard. I grew up in the streets without no heart. I'm praying to my Glock in my car. I sit back and read like head in the head. 21 Savage, the cat with the mat. 21 Savage, now boys in the hood, but I pull up on you, shoot your ass in the back. Stuart Little, hurt these niggas some racks. I can feel the cheese, bitch, I got racks. I'm a real street nigga, bitch. I am not one of these niggas banging on wax. Pussy niggas love sneak this until I pull up on them, slap them out with the fire. Wet your mama house, wet your grandma house, keep shooting it till somebody die. So many shots, the neighbor looked at the calendar, thought it was 4th of July. You was with your friends playing Nintendo, I was playing around with that fire. Sound great, I got caught with a pistol, sent me to Pantherville. 8th grade, started playing football, then I was like, fuck the field. 9th grade, I was knocking niggas out, nigga like Holyfield. Fast forward, nigga 2016, and I'm screaming, fuck a deal. Bad bitch with me, she's so thick, I don't even need a pill. I listened to your raps, thought you was hard, you ain't even street for real. Niggas love sneak dissing on Twitter, they don't want beef for real. And all these niggas play like they tough, till a nigga get killed, till a nigga get spilled, till your blood get spilled. I'ma at your favorite rapper, shoot him like a John Deere. I've been with you since day one, Savage, I ain't even hate. So what's up with all that Instagram shit? Savage, I was just playing. Y'all pussy nigga faking. Bitch, I hang around them Haitians. Pull up on you, tie your kids up, pistol whip you while your bitch naked. Come on, man, Savage, you know I always play your mixtape. Yeah, nigga, fuck all that ass, you bitch, how my dick taste. Young Savage.